All right, this is the elevator to the Grand Hall at the Pennsylvania Convention Center in Center City, Philadelphia. Shit, it just went up. Fuck, it just went up. Sorry for my language. Shit. Shit, it just went up. Oh, sorry, sir. Yeah, you have to go up for the Reading Terminal. That does not light up. There's probably gonna be people on it. Excuse me. 2. Look out the window. Like those lights right there. If you were here at 2, back down to C. No one's here. There's the Grand Hall. Well, those doors close slowly. Good, we didn't stop. We're gonna end it up at 1. We'll end it up at 1. No one's here. Good. Oh, you going up? 2 or 1? You going to 2 or 1? Have a good day, sir. There it goes, and there it goes, and that's it.